namaskar to everyone. I agree to Mrs. Mala Mehra that this is the time when we actually have to tell our children that they have ample time to develop themselves. What our NEP says, NEP 2020 says that we need to understand that we grow now, children, we give them the value education, and along with them we give them a certain kind of things which they can use it later in their careers. What I feel is that at this level, because I practically gave this idea to the children in school also, and our children are also doing it. We ask them to join the small courses, because right now we are into the thing that whether the school whether the 12th class examination will be there or not, nobody knows about it. Of course we will be getting the result, whatever may be the method, but this is the time which they can actually utilize in improvising themselves. They can add up their own qualities. For example, if they know, if they like how to make the food or something, they can join some kind of small courses, academies, where they can enrich this hobby, because the hobbies can also be taken as a career in later scale. And second important thing, what I feel is that the communication is a vital thing. At this level, the parents at home also are under a great pressure. When the lockdown is there, they really have to take care of their families, their fees, and every kind of the things. And they may have this kind or other kind of problems also. So instead of just self-centered, the children can also be the part of, they can talk to their parents. And we also have set up a counseling center in our school where without telling their name or anything, they can leave the question and we people are answering them. And here I would like to take a small point that this time, because they really have to study for 2 hours or 3 hours, which is sufficient, as Mala ma'am said it, that but the rest of the time what they do, either they are in some kind of the aggressive games. Instead of those games, I think they need to maintain their wellness. They need to grow a mindset. They need to feed themselves with the positive ideas or positive thoughts, so that they can have a connection between their dreams. So instead of just sitting idle and doing nothing or becoming aggressive, or sometimes they just sit inside a room and they do not want to do any kind of communication with the parents or anybody. They just want to play some kind of aggressive game. No, they must come out, and as the previous people said, they can help the society, they can help their home, they can communicate. And these are the small activities. They must do some kind of physical activity. I usually tell my children that around your home, if you are not able to go into the park or somewhere, go on the top terrace and just stroll there, or just run on the stairs for 5-10 minutes, so that the oxygen level can increase in their body, and they could feel fresh, they could think fresh, and can do better. The all my teachers are well connected with the children. We are still open, although it has been declared as holidays, but we are giving them 2-3 hours extra classes, and we are talking. And one more thing, we just tried that every day one of the child, we tell them to talk about any incident which happened last day. And it should not be that it should be a negative. If they have enjoyed even a cup of ice cream, they tell what kind of a pleasure they had. Or if they have any kind of negative thought has arrived, so what they have thought, and what was how they dealt it. mean, so this kind of the small activities we are doing with the children, and I hope, and my fingers are crossed, that we all stay healthy. And as everybody says, this time is also going to pass, and we will be once again blessed. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bhavna ma'am. Can I now request Dr. Priyanka Mehta from Sarvottam International School